Somebody named iPhone says, how can I find out how much it would cost to go through probate for a client of mine that's out of state? So the client's out of state. The property is in LA County, and that client's in Texas. So I think one of the questions to break that down is, if somebody lives in another state, but they have property in California, does it get probated here, Texas, or both?
It gets probated here for sure because the property in California, but the main administration is usually the county of the death. So you may have to do a main probate in a different county. So let's say New York, and then you would open up a sub probate or what we call ancillary probates here, and that would take care of the property in California and eventually move it over to the probate in whatever other state you are.
I think, and tell me if I explain this correctly, when people ask me this, it's that the only way to change the title of the property is with a California court.
Right. I mean, California has jurisdiction over all California property, right?
Right.
I can't go to Nevada with a judgment and collect in California. I have to go make it a California judgment before I could collect in California. Same concept.
Got it. Okay, good. And so how can I find out how much it will cost? So the answer is you have to find an attorney in Texas, number one, who's going to open up that probate and whatever's involved there. And the costs are going to vary based on the kind of probate and the issues and though it's cheaper in Texas than here and generally easier than here.
I'm gonna put a caveat on that. You're actually going to do Texas probate for all Texas assets. So whatever the rate is for Texas, you'll have there. But for California property, it's going to be a California probate, and all the rates here apply for that piece of property. Right? You're not going to get double charged, but wherever it's at is where you're going to pay for that asset. And California is on a fixed fee, minimum fixed fee called the statutory, which is based on a percentage of the total amount of assets that are included. So if you die with 2 million, it's going to cost you more than if you die with 1 million.
Got it.